Hello, Pat Skeets here from meandmycricket.com. Today I'm doing a two-page layout with pictures from my garden. And, well, these are planters and that. And I have some metal owls that are in these, that I stick in these planters poking out from the flowers. So I chose an owl theme for this page. And they're fire-colored geraniums, so hence the color scheme. So the papers that I've chosen for this page are, this is for the background, red with a bit of a floral thing, and that is from DCWV Watercolor Garden. And there it is right there. And then there's the black paper on that layout is magnificent. It is, whoops, oh gosh, there's a bit of tape stuck there. This is the paper, and it has a gold metallic polka dot in it. And I just love that floral. And it is from Botanical Beauty. This is DCWV. So I love, there's so many beautiful florals in this pad. Love all these and this. This is the one I'm using. I've used that, used that, used that, used that. My girlfriend used that. Anyway, I've loving this. The paper is making this page beautiful. It's already really cute. So let's, what I did was I cut that black paper. I cut the corners off and I pushed it down there, and I put the middle part there. So it's quite simple to just do the cuts. And then I'm gonna put a doily behind the large photo there. There's a 5x7, and I've grouped the smaller ones. And there's a cartridge called Serenade where I got these from, and I'm going to show it to you. It is absolutely beautiful. Image sets. And then I'm going to just type in Serenade, because you should, it is, I love this cartridge. There's such pretty images in it. I think I've used most of them. Apples, peaches, clouds. Lots of flourishes in this. I like all the flourishes. That's a great branch. Here's another one. This is a branch, but I use them as trees all the time. Nice flourish. Great branches. I've used all these bird cages too. I think I used those in an album share I just did, Oregon Coast. Anyway, there's the other one I'm using, and I've turned it sideways, and that it's a tree. And here's some trees. I used the branch image for a tree because it's slimmer. There's another tree. I love these trees. They're simple. They're really cute. And anyway, I wanted you to see how adorable that, this is nice too. It has flowers on the branch. And there's a vase, and you can put any of, you know, that flower right there. This flower, that flower. Any of these could go in that vase. Here's another vase with two. Anyway, now I will just cancel that. And oh, I wanted to show you where I got the owl image. And that is in a new cartridge that I hadn't seen before. So I'm just going to type in owl. Oh, I should have typed in image sets. I'm going to do it this way because it's in a cartridge called Up Owl Night. Up All Night. Up Owl Night. And this is the one I've used right here. Aren't they cute? There's 2 different cartridges full of, oh, Owl Be Yours, Valentine's, 3 cartridges of owls, plus all the other owls in many more cartridges. Anyway, I wanted to show you some of the new images. And then the geranium, I love that potted plant. It's from a cartridge called Freshly Picked. The doily image is from, what is it called? Home for the Holidays. This doily here. And it's the spring and summer version of that cartridge. So I placed this owl on a branch from Serenade, and then I used 2 other branches for trees here. So I'm going to cut this out. Oh, before I do that, so many people don't use Design Space all the time, so I'm going to show you the changes. I have to do this in several videos, sorry, but you never know who's watching and when. Okay, so what's changed is these 4 corners used to have 4 different functions. Now, the adjusting size is in the same place, but it's all 4 corners adjust the size. And then it used to be that you could twirl from another corner, and now the twirl is a little further out from the corner. If you move your mouse just a little further out, you get a curved arrow, and so you can twirl this. And to unlock the image so that you can change the dimensions, it's right up here above the size. You click on the lock up there, and you can change the size to anything you want. And the 4th corner was a delete, and now the delete is up here in this corner. So you have to use this delete now. All right, so I'm going to put this back, and I'm gonna get this ready to cut. Whoops. Okay, so now we're going to cut out this page. It's really cute. I love the owls. All right. Okay, this was fun to put together. These images were actually quite simple to cut and layer. So I love this page. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put the background down, and I'm leaving a margin around the outside edges, about 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to place this over the center. I love the poppy yellow on here. It just gives me a pop on this page, so I'm liking that a lot. All right, so now I'm going to put this here, and these are going to line up on this page, trying to keep these 2 areas about the same. So this corner is lining up with this cut here. I did shadow this in yellow for the pop. Anyway, so this photo's going there, and this one will go here, and this one will go here. So I need to mat these photos. So let's just do that first, and we can place everything all around. Look at how this paper is just making everything. Beautiful paper makes beautiful pages. That's what I think anyway. Without going anywhere with COVID, I guess we just took pictures of the gardens in the summer, enjoying them. I'm double matting all these photos. Actually, I think I'm triple matting this one. There. That looks good. Yep. When this bush comes out in the spring, it's absolutely lime green, and then it turns a darker green, and then it turns red in the fall, but it has thorns. It's sharp. Okay. There we go. Oops. I'm liking it. I love my owls. I've had them for years and they're kind of getting worn. It's time to find something new. But I do like them. All right. Yeah. There we go. And that's fitting on there. Very good. Now, for this page, I have a tree branch and a flower pot. I think I'm going to cover that seam right there. I want these to overlap a bit. There we go. I'm going to lift this with foam lifters as well. And then on this side, I have to map my photos. So I'm doing the 3 colors of mats. Before I had a Cricut, I used to try and make nice frames with papers, and I would do 5 and 6 mats on a photo to make it stand out on some of them. Or I do a wide mat with pretty paper like this for a frame. Maybe just do a corner punch. I hope this is the right order. I didn't check. Yes, it is. See how this yellow is making all the colors pop on the photo? Because it's such a limey green, the yellow is working. There. That's really popping. Okay, now I have my images for here. So I'm going to tuck this back here because that was a big empty space. And then I'm going to put this tree behind and then this owl in front. And I'm going to hide the trunk right there. I grouped the owl and the branch in Design Space, and then I clicked on the offset, and then it made the black outline so that this would stand out against everything because it's quite busy behind it. And I also did the body part of the owl in a patterned paper. You can see that. It's a bit of a print. I inked around his eyes and that too. He's a cute owl. So that's giving me a cute theme for this page. Those owls. Well, I'm thinking it's so pretty and bold that I'm not needing to do very much to this. As a matter of fact, I don't know that I'm going to need to do anything to this page. I'm thinking this is it. So I'm just going to remind you to subscribe below. And I hope that this page would be good for hiking, camping, the woods, gardens like I have, and any outdoors thing, even kids playing at a park or climbing trees. Yeah, I think it'd be nice for any of that. Anyway, there are links below, and there will be a link to the Design Space. Link for this page will be posted below, as well as my Facebook groups. Please join them. I would love to see your work. So thanks for watching. Happy scrapping.